Hello and welcome to our first tutorial on how to use NeuraLead. NeuraLead is our very first tool from Hyperhumans, that's our company. I'm the co-founder and CEO, Denny O'Brien. And if you are not familiar with NeuraLead, I suggest going to our profile here on YouTube and checking out the introduction to NeuraLead video. There we'll explain how it came to be, all of the functionalities. We'll go through the full API, the GUI application. But today what we really want to do is show you how to use the Google Chrome extension and Firefox add-ons. We find they're the easiest way, the fastest way to use NeuraLead, and the most convenient. So for this tutorial, I'm going to assume that you already have a NeuraLead account. You can sign up for free via our website, neuralead.ai, and it will also give you 3 free credits to try the tool with. So assuming you've already signed up for your account, you can then just come to our website, neuralead.ai, and then right at the top here, we have our Google Chrome extension and Firefox add-on links. I'm on Google Chrome, so I'm going to click the first one. And it's going to ask me if I want to add it to Chrome. That's the blue button up here. We're going to click that, and then we're going to click Add Extension. Now, the easiest way to use NeuraLead, as I said, is through your browser. And to do that, we're actually going to have to pin it to the toolbar. So if you click your Google Chrome extension icon right up here, you can then click the pin icon, and that will put it up in your toolbar. So let's close out of here. We're going to go to our company's website, hyperhumans.ai, and I'm going to show you quickly how to use the tool. So clicking on the NeuraLead icon, first of all, I'm going to switch to dark theme because I prefer it. And you're going to get logged in with the credentials that you made through our website. So I'm just going to do that quickly. And you can, of course, register an account directly from the extension if you want, and then just put in your username and password. So let's get logged in. And as I said, to really understand the full power of NeuraLead, I suggest going to our Introduction to NeuraLead video. But I will briefly show you how to use this very quickly, and it really is quick and easy. So the first thing you'll notice is that the buttons here already have the domain that we're currently on, hyperhumans.ai here in the toolbar, and then right here in the buttons. If you, for any reason, find that you're maybe on a tab that is not a company website or just a new tab, you'll see that an error comes up saying it was unable to determine the host or the URL, and that just means you should go to an actual website with a domain in the toolbar here. So let me click on this again, and the first thing we'll do is we're going to build an AI company profile on hyperhumans.ai, and it's going to be quick. So as you can see, already it's returned our company name, our company email, info@hyperhumans.ai, a headcount for our company, our industry, keywords that apply to our company, our verticals, our LinkedIn, which I can confirm is correct. Down here it has our x.com, our Twitter link, also correct, our YouTube channel, upon which you're probably watching this. Our phone number as well, it's found that, and then a summary of our company. So this tool really can supercharge your sales, your lead generation. Anyone working in sales will know that the more data that you have on a company, the more information that you have, the more likely you are to convert them. And you can actually use all of this information here to start performing other open source intelligence, but also to customize and personalize the emails that you're sending as part of your lead gen and sales process. So that's really as easy as it is to use NeuraLead. You can copy this data if you'd like. You can also force a refresh. So typically the AI will work every 30 days or so. It's assuming that the website hasn't changed so much. But if you feel like it's out of date, or if you just know that something's changed, you can of course refresh that data as well, and it will pull all of the data again, go through the different APIs, the open source intelligent, the public databases, the repositories, and try and find the most up-to-date and accurate information. I'll show you another cool little tool. This is the Get Employee Contact Information. You can search for any employee at a company, and if it finds it in our database or open source intelligence, it will provide you with their contact information. So we're going to put the CEO in. In theory, it should return me, moment of truth, and there I am, Denny O'Brien. I know I have a weird name. My email address, co-founder and CEO, the best match, so that's the title that you put in, and this is the actual job title that the AI was able to find. That is, in fact, my LinkedIn. Feel free to follow me if you would like. And then the phone number, it's put our corporate phone number because that is what is publicly listed on some databases in attachment to my name. Finally, what is really the magic about NeuraLead, and I'm not going to show you the full thing, but again, it's so simple. If you want to find new business leads that are similar to the website you were on, you don't want to have to search through Google or other sorts of listings or press releases on new startups or new companies. You just literally, you know who your business is, you know who your niche is, or you go to an existing customer's website and you go, hey, these guys bought from me, so let me find companies similar to them. It's very simple. You just click on the third button. You put in a location for where you want your leads to be. It could be a country, a state, a city even. You put in some keywords that will help our AI to find really the niche or the targeted company that you're looking for. And then you select the number of leads that you would like using our slider. I'm not going to show you now because it will take some time to find them, but if I click search and fill out these boxes, it will absolutely find brand new leads that match the profile, the description that we built, that the AI built based on the website that we're currently visiting. Other than that, the Chrome extension and the Firefox extension are very similar. I'll show you very briefly. I'm not in Firefox, so it won't allow me to do it, but you just click on the Firefox link on our website, and then there's, again, a blue button that allows you to add it to Firefox. You would then sign in and do the exact same process to use the Firefox extension. That is generally how easy NeuraLead is. It's really not a complex tool in terms of user interface. There's a lot of very clever technology, AI, algorithms happening in the background, sentiment analysis, name entity recognition, all of the great buzzwords, the actual cool technologies that are part of AI are happening in the background, as well as dozens of API calls trying to find the correct data, the correct analysis, and the correct people and leads for your company. There is a settings toolbar. From here you can sign up for Pro, you can upgrade and manage your account. You can, of course, get support or email us directly, support@neuralead.ai. And then you also have a leads database, so every time that you're running this tool, it will copy that information to your leads database. You can search, you can copy directly, and it will go to your clipboard as before, as well as links to our websites and the sign out button if you need to. That is as easy as NeuraLead is to use. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Again, I really recommend going to our channel, checking out the introduction to NeuraLead video to see if it's a right fit for you. We're really excited about this tool. We follow the philosophy that a famous Python learning book, Python, the coding language, was titled Automate the Boring Stuff. And that's really what this tool does. You don't want to spend hours looking for company profiles, copy and pasting contact information or website addresses, or going to LinkedIn to try and find the right person at that company. You can just use NeuraLead to streamline your process, either directly through the Google Chrome and Firefox add-on extensions that we showed you today, or our GUI application, or even a full API to automate it and integrate with your CRM, Salesforce, Monday, all of these other tools. So I hope that was useful. If you have any questions or need any help, support@neuralead.ai, or go directly through your settings in the Chrome extension and click on the support button and we will help you out. We're always open to suggestions, feedback, and of course any support requests for any issues that you may encounter. Thank you again for watching our video. Check out our other videos on NeuraLead, and thank you again for choosing it for your lead generation and sales needs.